Hi, I'm Dr. Kathleen Coates. We are opening our doors to the community on Tuesday, July 30th. If you have hearing loss and want to learn more about the Coates Hearing Clinic difference, come on out to meet us. If you know someone who has hearing loss and want to pick up some information or bring them with you, come on out to meet me and enjoy a relaxed lunch. We work with many other medical providers and staff in the area because hearing loss is linked with many other health conditions. So we encourage those offices to come check out our services. If you are a local business and want to stop by and say hi to support local events, come on out. We truly want this to be an event of fellowship. We want to raise awareness of hearing loss and the impact it can have on our lives and the lives of our loved ones. We plan to provide the best hearing health care in the area, and this event is just one small way to show you how much we care.